Are you considering becoming a breakout trader? Then you need to watch this video because I'm going to show you how you can prototype viable breakout trading strategies in less than 5 minutes. Hi, my name is Tomas, in the trading industry known as the Mr. Breakout. I'm a professional breakout trading specialist, the author of the life-changing breakout trading book, and author of the universal breakout trading formula, highly prized by traders and professionals from around the world, which you can get at this link. Okay, let's begin. The formula I use to prototype endless amount of powerful breakout trading strategies is the formula from the Breakout Trading Revolution book, which goes like this. All you need to do to create a viable breakout trading strategy is a point of initiation, time, space, and some kind of filter. And of course, some stop loss and exit. So let me show you practically and let's create a breakout trading strategy together. For this example, I've decided to choose Nikkei futures market. The reason why I decided to create a breakout strategy on Nikkei market is to show you that you can create a breakout strategy on literally any market, and we can go way beyond futures indexes, which I usually use in my examples. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I've already provided a huge amount of strategy ideas before, and I definitely will continue giving you my best trading tips and advices. Okay, let's now create the breakout strategy for the Nikkei market. First of all, we need to create some breakout entry by itself. So again, let's get back to the formula where we need some point of initiation and some space, which will calculate where the breakout should occur. In this example, as a point of initiation, we can use something very simple as the open of the bar or close of the bar. Now we need to create a space, and the space calculation can be very simple or very complicated, it's up to you. Usually I like using average true range, which is a volatility calculator, and then multiply it by specific fraction. But to keep this example really simple, you don't necessarily need to use any indicator. To calculate the space where the breakout should occur, you can use something as simple as the difference between open and close of the last bar. And next, you calculate the long entry itself by just taking the point of initiation and adding the calculated space to this point of initiation. By the way, for the fraction, I use 3.5, so we will use 3.5 times of the open minus close, but of course you can optimize this value according to your preferences. Next, let's add the time condition. You want to enter usually during regular trading hours or after the market opens, so you have enough of liquidity. The futures market is traded in Chicago, and usually the liquidity starts about 8 a.m. Chicago time. That's why we can create just a simple condition like time needs to be greater or equal to 8 a.m. Chicago time. Next, we need some filter to filter as many of false breakout entries as possible. And one of my most favorite filters ever is the ADX indicator. I've already used ADX in my past strategies examples, and I plan to keep using ADX in upcoming examples again. So again, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out upcoming strategies. Okay, one of the best ways to deploy the ADX indicator is simply to use a threshold of 15, 17.5 or 20. In this case, I will use ADX must be smaller than 15. If you don't understand what is ADX indicator, please Google it. There are a lot of information about the ADX indicators on the internet. So let's recapitulate. We have point of initiation and calculation of the space where the breakout should occur. We also have time condition and we have implemented the filter. So next we need to construct the execution itself, and it's really simple. The code looks like this, and it basically says only enter if we are flat, we don't have any market condition, or if we have not entered any trade today yet. I like to keep number of trades just one per day, which definitely helps to increase average trade. Then the time condition, which we designed here, has to be met, and then the filter condition, which we designed here, has to be met as well. And then we have one auxiliary conditions, which says that the close of the market has to be below the breakout level itself once these conditions are met. And finally, we create the breakout entry order itself, which in TradeStation easy language goes like this. And finally, we need to add some exits, and it's really, really simple. One of my most favorite conditions for exits is bar since entry. So in this case, I've optimized the bar since entry at 18, and that means that we will exit the position 18 bars after the entry. And just to remind you, we are working with 1 hour time frame. Then we also need a set exit on close condition, which means that we are designing the strategy as a day trading strategy, and the strategy will exit at the end of the day no matter what. This is a day trading strategy. And finally, we need to use some protective stop loss. As always, you can optimize stop loss. I just used simple $1,000. It's a protective stop loss. You can play with this one and you can optimize it as well. Okay, now let's toggle on this strategy. Let's put it into the chart and let's see what a very quickly prototype strategy would look like this. So this is 10 years of data, and you can see that even a very simple prototype can already deliver quite promising results. This one would make $72,000 in 10 years. Well, this is without transactional costs, so it would be a little bit less, but still the average trade is $156, which is quite high, and even after transactional cost, you would be left with a lot of money. And the drawdown, day-to-day drawdown, is about $6,000. That means that the net profit drawdown ratio is higher than 10, which is very, very good number. And how would we do this year? Well, just this year alone, this prototype would already make almost $12,000. Now, of course, this is just a very quick example where I wanted to show you that it's very possible to prototype viable trading strategies in less than 5 minutes. And here is the proof. But it doesn't mean yet that you are ready to trade these strategies on your live accounts. Of course, next stage is usually robustness testing procedures and stress testing, which will help you to determine how robust your strategy is and if it really is ready for live trading. But that's something I will describe more in the future. So again, don't forget to subscribe not to miss any future updates. But overall, creating breakout trading strategies can be quite simple and straightforward. And if you don't know how to start yet, again, don't forget to get the Breakout Trading Revolution book, where you will find everything necessary to start today in details. And by the way, if you would like to see another example strategy, just scroll down and get my hedge fund strategy for free on the link below. See you in the next one.